There's a somewhat unique history attached to the property that we're filming today, in that the airfield just over to the right served as a World War II airfield alongside many other such airfields back in the day in the county of Norfolk. The property that we're about to view today, Wickets, served as a former site of an open-air cinema, used, I'm sure, by the airmen and probably the villagers likewise. For our vendors, Wickets is the first house that they've owned that's truly felt like home. You'll see as we discover the property why it truly feels like home. The kitchen was designed by our vendor, and everything in it is pretty much bespoke, including a drinks area with a massively bespoke coffee station, and probably the pièce de résistance, which is the pantry. I think we would all love one of these. The garden room is again another spot, as far as the vendors are concerned, that they absolutely love and probably actually spend the most time in, whatever the season. The property is enjoyed by many family and friends, and they very much feel that it has the vibe of a luxury hotel. We're now in another area of the house. I think you'd probably agree, as far as a principal suite is concerned, this is luxury at its best, particularly on this Juliet balcony. This garden has certainly proved to be a total labour of love. Our vendors have completely immersed themselves here, even in the planting schemes of colours in each of the different areas. Two have included 2 ponds and lots of different aspects where they can actually enjoy the sun and the seasons as we move through time. The property is actually very much a country house and set on a massively generous plot amid the fields surrounding. I think it's fair to say, as far as it goes, the vendors are ready for a move, but it's with a very, very heavy heart that they would ultimately leave this situation. And who wouldn't just love it?